Good morning, dear students. Hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Students, today we will do lesson 5 topic soil erosion and conservation. Students, do you know what is soil erosion? The washing or blowing away of the top fertile layer of the soil by wind and water is called soil erosion. Students, you must have seen that when during the dust storms or when water runs with a high speed, it carries the soil with it. And the removal of the fertile topsoil takes place, due to which land becomes barren and become unfit for the crop production. Students, there are many factors which causes the erosion. So there are many agents of the erosion: wind, water, and the humans. These three are the agents due to which soil erosion takes place. So first of all, we will discuss about the soil erosion by wind. Students, as you know, the strong winds carry the topsoil, and this mainly occurs in those areas where there is less plants, less vegetation, and where the land is not covered. The land is wet. So you can see in this picture, here the soil is loose and it easily carried by the wind. Soil erosion is highest in the desert areas. Students, now we discuss about the soil carried away by water. In this picture, you are seeing that the water flowing carries the soil topmost layer of the soil, and it carries it to the another places, and further it is carried by the river, and where the river reaches to the place, there they get deposited, and for several years, due to several on the passes of several years, the erosion takes place and the removal of the soil from a particular area takes place, due to which there is huge loss of life and property takes place. Now it comes to next factor, the soil erosion by human activity. Students, do you know that humans are cutting down trees day by day to meet his requirement of shelter, wood, etc. So, what is deforestation? The cutting down of trees on a large scale is called deforestation. Due to cutting down of trees, the topsoil removes or loosens, which results in the soil erosion. So, it means the human is the mainly responsible for destroying plant cover, that leading to massive erosion of the soil. Next factor of soil erosion is overgrazing by cattle. Students, we also know when on a particular area, the cattle they graze continuously, they uprooted the plants and that soil becomes barren without the grass or vegetation. So too much overgrazing also causes the deforestation or the erosion by the animals. Next factor is uncultivated land, that also caused by the humans. Too much plowing of the farmland by humans also loses the soil and leads to the soil erosion. Now, this was all about the soil erosion. Students, now question arises, how this erosion gets stopped? So, answer is we have to conserve the soil. We have to protect the soil, because I told you, because the soil formation takes several years for its formation. So we should conserve the soil. What are the different factors by which we can conserve the soil? These are afforestation, terrace farming, fencing, and embankments. So first of all, we will I will tell you how we can conserve the soil by growing the grass. So here I also want to tell you what is soil conservation. The protection of the topsoil against erosion is called soil conservation, and it is firstly I about how we can conserve the soil by growing grass. Students, when the land is not used for crop production, grass can be grown on it, and we know grass has spreading roots, which can hold the soil firmly and cannot blown away by the wind. Second is by afforestation. Students, what do you mean by this term afforestation? Afforestation means planting more and more trees on a large scale on a barren land is called afforestation. Students, we know the trees have or the plants have deep and long roots which hold the soil firmly and do not allow the soil to be eroded by wind and water. So this is the best method to conserve the soil. Next one is terrace farming. Students, we know terrace farming is done on hilly areas, on hilly slopes where hill slopes can be cut down into steps or terraces where farming can be done. So a lot of topsoil can be washed away by running water on the hill slope, so steps can be made there. So this helps to slow down the speed of running water, due to which the soil erosion can be prevented. So farming on such slopes is called terrace farming. So next way of conserving the soil is fencing plants along the farms. Students, around the farms we can make fencing. We can grow some type of bushes or the grass which can prevent the flow of water which carries the soil with it, or blowing of wind which carries the soil with it. Next one is by constructing dams and embankments. Friends, do you know strong walls of rocks and stones on the bank of river are called embankments. These embankments and dams are made along the river banks. These help to reduce the soil erosion. Students, we also know they can check the flow of water and prevent the soil from being washed. So students, with this, I end up my video, and thanks for watching this video. Have a good day.